Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install Clion on Ubuntu operating system. To download the software in Google search box right there Clion, then go on this jetpains.com site. So let's click this. Then you can get here a cross-platform ID for C and C++ developer. Click on this download. Then this here you can use Windows, Mac and Linux. So click on this drop down and here click on this start gz file. So file here you can see this is currently downloading. The total size 1.6 GB is there. So this is now currently downloading. Now if I go into this terminal, so here terminal for Ubuntu. Now if I write this place gcc minus minus version, so you can see 15% that install. If I write the G++ minus minus version, here 15% that install. So GCC and G++ must be installed there. Then you can use C and C++ coding inside your C line or ID. So this is now currently downloading. So this will take few minutes times to complete this download. The file that's downloaded, let's click on this open folder. This here C line, first you need to extract, right click then extract. So here preparing, this is now preparing to extract. You can see the file is now currently extracting, total size 1.8 GB, and this will take only few second times to complete this extraction. File that successfully extracted, thereafter click on this C line, then go on bin, and inside the bin you can get so many files. So here you need to click on this C line. So C line selected. Let's double click again. So this here you can get this import things. If you want then you can import. Let's do the escape. Here you can create the new project. So C++C you can choose this. Other options are also available. Node.js, Angular. So C++ that's fine. Here giving the project name CPP app. So language, okay. Let's click on this create. So create the project. Let's close this one. Now this here or this all saving C as app setting. This is now so many processes going on. So this is the C programming or C++ programming code is there. Main.cpp that's come there. And after that simply here you can see this is disabled currently. You need to wait for few second times to enable this. Now this here enable. Simply you need to click on this run and here analyzing project. This is currently running and according to given code this is returning the output. Let's do some changes. So let's do some changes here or this giving go till 10. So this 10 control S to save. Now click on this run and this is building again. Wait for few second times. Oh. So this is now currently running and according to given code, that's just displaying the output. 1 to 10, that's displaying. So this is how we can do here. Install Clion and run C++ codes. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.